Welcome my friends, I'm Miroslav and today we're going to be making spinach and cheese loaf. You're going to need 6 cups flour, 2 cups warm water, 200 grams butter, 1 tablespoon dry yeast, 1 tablespoon sugar, 4 teaspoons oil, 1 egg for coating, and 1 teaspoon salt. We're going to start with flour, and with the spoon just make space in the center of it. Add dry yeast. Add sugar. Then we're going to add half of warm water and mix it for about 5 minutes for yeast to get activated. Now we're going to add the rest of the water. Add salt. Then we're going to add 4 tablespoons of oil. And then knead the dough until it stops sticking to your hands. And this is what it's supposed to look like, nice and soft and smooth. Now add a little bit of oil in the bowl and also in the dough so it doesn't stick when it's rising. Cover with the plastic wrap. And a towel and set it on the side to rise. For spinach, you're going to need 20-ounce fresh spinach, 1 cup heavy cream, 1 cup whole milk, 7 tablespoons butter, 1.5 cup feta cheese, half onion diced, half a cup Parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon garlic, 1.5 teaspoons salt, 1 teaspoon black pepper, 1/3 cup flour, start with a couple of spoons of oil in a frying pan. Then add all the fresh spinach. Sauté spinach until it's wilted. Use the strainer. And with the spoon, squeeze the excess water. Then set the spinach on the side. Add in a pan butter and let it melt. Add half an onion diced and cook onion until it's soft. Add garlic. Now add flour and stir it to make sure there's no lumps. And cook it for about a minute or two, then reduce the temperature on low. Now we're going to add heavy cream. Add milk. Now if you desire to have spinach even thicker, instead of milk, add another cup of heavy cream. Add salt. Add pepper. Now we're going to add Parmesan cheese. And again, make sure there's no lumps. Add spinach and then mix it well. Let it simmer until it thickens. Transfer it to the dish and set it on the side. Now we're going to prepare the dough. After the dough is doubled in size, spread flour in your working area and re-knead the dough. Then split it into 2 even pieces and shape each piece in a nice round ball. Then stretch the dough to be about 15 by 20 inches. And then set it on the side. Take the second part and stretch it the same size. Then spread the butter. There's room temperature. Then take the first piece and lay it over the second. Then just adjust it with your hands and stretch it to be a rectangular. Then take the spinach fill and spread it evenly, leaving about an inch of space on the bottom. Then sprinkle the feta cheese all across the top. Then start rolling from the top down as tight as you can. Then when you get almost to the bottom, then take the bottom piece, roll it over and pinch it to get it stitched. Put the parchment paper on a baking pan and then slowly transfer it in the middle. Whisk 1 egg and gently brush it on top. Then take the fork and poke the holes all across. With dough cutter or a sharp knife, cut it all across about an inch apart. Preheat your oven to 360 and bake it for 35 to 40 minutes. And here it is. It's nice and crunchy outside and beautiful and soft and gooey inside. Enjoy. I hope you enjoy cooking with me. Please click like, and if you're new to this channel, click subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.